When you search for the best cameras under $1,000, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, TP-Link Tapo C100, priced at just $15.96. This indoor security camera grabbed my attention because of its affordable price and impressive features for home monitoring. If you want a reliable way to keep an eye on your loved ones without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 1080p HD resolution means you can clearly see what's happening around your home. Plus, with features like two-way audio, you can talk to your pet or family members from anywhere. It even has night vision, so you won't miss a thing, even in low light. And with motion detection, you get instant notifications on your phone, which is exactly what you need if something unexpected happens. Over 10,000 people have bought this recently, which speaks volumes about its reliability. Now, some people complained about the setup being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once you get past that initial hurdle, it works flawlessly. So if you're someone who can handle a little tech setup, this won't be a deal breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly camera for indoor security or baby monitoring. Skip this one if you need outdoor capabilities. For the price, it really gives you a lot of bang for your buck. Now, if the basic features of the Tapo C100 feel a bit limited, the next option might be what you're looking for. Product number 2, Orbitel M52. The Orbitel M52, a wireless video doorbell camera priced at just $9.99. What caught my eye is the incredible value it offers for home security without the hefty price tag. If you're looking for a solid way to enhance your home security without spending a fortune, this is definitely worth considering. This doorbell camera features AI-powered smart detection, which means it can differentiate between people and random movements, like cars or pets. You'll only get notifications when it really matters. The night vision capability ensures you'll have clear footage even in the dark, and with two-way audio, you can communicate with visitors directly through your phone. Plus, the secure cloud storage keeps your recording safe. It's been flying off the shelves, with over 10,000 units sold recently. However, some users have pointed out that it only works with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, which might be a drawback for those with 5 GHz networks. Here's my take. If you're in a standard home network setup, this shouldn't be an issue at all. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable option for your front door security. Skip this one if you're looking for a high-end smart device with all the bells and whistles. For the price, it's an absolute steal. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a bit more functionality. Product number 3, TP-Link Tapo C210P2. Let's talk about the TP-Link Tapo C210P2, which comes in at $36.96 for a 2-pack. This one really stood out because of its 2K resolution and pan-tilt features. If you want to cover a wider area and capture more details of your home, this is worth a serious look. With 2K high definition, you can see every little detail, which is perfect for monitoring kids or pets. The pan-tilt function gives you a full 360-degree view so you can check every corner of the room. And like the previous models, it also includes night vision and two-way audio so you can feel connected to your home no matter where you are. It's been highly popular, with thousands sold in the last month. Now, some users did mention that the app can be a bit glitchy at times. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, the camera works great and the issues are generally manageable. This is perfect for you if you want comprehensive coverage and high-quality video. Skip this one if you only need a basic camera. For 2 cameras at this price, it's a fantastic deal. If you're looking for a more traditional camera that's portable and easy to use, the next product might catch your interest. Product number 4, Kodak PixPro FC45. We have the Kodak PixPro FC45, a compact digital camera that's perfect for everyday use. Although I don't have a price listed, it's generally known to be budget-friendly. What got me excited about this one is its mix of simplicity and functionality. If you want a straightforward camera for casual photography, this deserves your attention. With a 16-megapixel sensor and a 4x optical zoom, it's capable of capturing detailed images, whether you're indoors or outdoors. The 1080p video recording option is great for capturing all your precious moments in high quality. Plus, the 2.7-inch LCD makes it easy to frame your shots. It's a simple camera that does what it's meant to do without complicating things. However, some reviews mention that the digital image stabilization isn't the best, especially in low light. Here's the deal. If you're primarily shooting in good lighting, it shouldn't be a major issue for you. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-use, reliable point-and-shoot camera. Skip this one if you're looking for advanced features or pro-level quality. For its capabilities, it's a solid option. Now, if you need something a bit more high-tech for indoor use, stick around for the last product on our list.
Product number 5, Topo C101. Let's wrap things up with the Topo C101, another indoor security camera priced at $15.96. This caught my eye because it combines affordability with essential features for monitoring your home. If you want a straightforward solution for keeping an eye on your baby or pets, this is worth considering. Similar to the other Topo models, it has 1080p HD video, two-way audio, and night vision, allowing you to see what's going on day or night. The motion detection feature sends you instant notifications, so you can relax knowing you'll be alerted if anything happens. It's been a hit with over 8,000 sold recently. Some users have pointed out that it can be a bit finicky with the app, but here's the thing. Once you get it working, it provides solid performance without any ongoing costs. This is perfect for you if you need a simple indoor camera for peace of mind. Skip this one if you want something more advanced with outdoor capabilities. For the price, it's an excellent choice. So we've covered some great options today. From budget-friendly security cameras to a handy point-and-shoot, there's something here for everyone.
To recap, we explored the TP-Link Topo C100, Orbitel M52, Topo C210P2, Kodak PixPro FC45, and Topo C101. Each of these cameras has its strengths, whether it's affordability, features, or ease of use. It really depends on what you need. So, what will you choose to capture your moments?